Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play a YouTube video and have the screen turn off or with a black screen on your iPhone. So this can be useful if you are listening to music, video music or some kind of audio and you don't want the screen to turn on because you are going to bed, for example. So first what you want to do is go into settings and then go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on voiceover and turn on voiceover. Once voiceover is on, you need to navigate back to the home screen. Then we need to open up the YouTube app. So you need to learn how to use voiceover. So I'm going to use 3 fingers and swipe across. Now I'm going to open up YouTube app. And then in here you can open up the songs that you want to play. So at the moment it is playing. And while it's playing you want to triple tap with 3 fingers to turn the screen off. So you can see here the screen is totally black. But it's still playing the music on the background. Yeah. So this is kind of like a slow methods of doing it. So I'm going to show you a quicker way. Hey Siri, turn off voiceover.
Okay, I turned voiceover off.
Okay, so now we can use Siri to turn voiceover on or off. It will be a lot easier instead of navigating through with your fingers. So first again go to YouTube. So this is another way of doing it. So you first go to YouTube and open up a song that you want to play or an audio file that you want to play and just tap on play. So first I'm going to lower down the volume so I can use Siri. Hey Siri, turn on voiceover.
Okay, I turned voiceover on.
Okay, so once voiceover is on, you can use 3 fingers and triple tap on the screen to turn on screen curtain.
Screen curtain on.
Once the screen curtain is on, now you can bring up the volume by pressing on the volume up key. So again,
screen curtain off.
I just need to go in here and make sure it is, I just need to turn off Siri first. And then I'm going to press on that.
Screen curtain on.
So that is another way.
Screen curtain off. Video player, adding video player, pause button, play.
Hi Siri, turn off voiceover.
Okay, voiceover is now off.
So you can use Siri's to quickly activate or deactivate voiceover. Once voiceover is on, you can always triple tap on the screen to turn off the screen. So that is a workaround on how you can turn off the YouTube's screen while you are playing the music. And this is useful if you are listening at night time just before you go to sleep. You want to listen to some kind of audio so that you can easily go to sleep. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.